Good evening, viewers, and welcome once again to today's edition of the news. Here are the top stories of today. Cabinet to amend State Anthem with Panar lines unveiling at Meghalaya Games. Cabinet approves Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025 for better teacher promotions. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma holds meeting with Indian Olympic Association President PT Usha, discusses state's preparation for 39 national games. And Soni Kharjana to contest as independent candidate from Nongspung Soyong constituency. The news in detail. A cabinet meeting held today saw several key decisions taken to address various state matters. The cabinet has decided to amend the state anthem to incorporate lines in Panar, which will be unveiled during the Meghalaya Games in July. Guidelines for the Art and Heritage Award were approved to recognize contribution in performing arts, and a selection committee will oversee the process. The cabinet also approved the recipients for the Meghalaya Day Awards 2025, with Sembartosh A. Sangma receiving the Utirat Singh Award, Reverend Wiley Cooper Kongwer the P.A. Togan N. Sangma Award, and Kmoy Walang the U Kyang Nongba Award.
The cabinet today has decided to amend the Meghalaya State Anthem, and we are happy to include few lines in Panar in the state anthem. So this will be unveiled in the state Meghalaya Games, which will be held in Vijay in Jaintia Hills, and we'll be playing it on that particular day.
The cabinet today approved the Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025, enhancing promotion opportunities for LP school teachers. It also approved state rules for regulating forensic examination fees and a structured fee system for agencies. The Meghalaya Town and Country Planning Scheme was endorsed to address unplanned growth in New Shillong Township. The Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act 2024 was amended to clarify land procurement processes with a focus on industries generating local employment. Additionally, the Invest Meghalaya Authority IMA will now be renamed Meghalaya Investment Promotion Authority MIPA.
In a certain position for many years, and there were limited scope for promotion, which also created a bit of conflict between different sections in the education department. And hence, after deep consultation with different associations, the education department has today amended the rules. As I said, this is the Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025, and this is going to pave way for a better scope of promotion when it comes to government LP school teachers.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday held a video conference with Indian Olympic Association President PT Usha to discuss the state's preparation for hosting the 39 national games in 2027. The Chief Minister highlighted recent investment in sports infrastructure, including upgrades to major sports complexes in Shillong, Jaintia Hills and Tura. Shillong has previously hosted major events like the Northeast Games and South Asian Games. The state has also signed an agreement with IOA to host the games across Shillong, Tura and Jawai. The national games will be held in Uttarakhand this year, with no games in 2026 due to the Asian Games.
We are pushing all aspects from infrastructure to all other related issues that are there to ensure that we are ready. In the last few years, we have invested hugely in sports, and a large amount of investments have been made. Meghalaya Games now are being held on an annual basis. So there is a very strong push towards overall sports in our state.
Jana, sister of Osborne Kharjana, will contest the MDC election from Nongspung Soyong constituency as an independent candidate after her brother withdrew due to not receiving the Congress party ticket. Supported by local leaders and supporters, Sony focused on her experience in the health sector and the need for better healthcare infrastructure, particularly at the Soyang Community Health Center during her campaign.
Kin asushu kumaki asha ki ay ke borenga bangalong advisor but kumangila atur siya government katutuli ki issue ni job hiru nakabor jong jing tali jong ki asha tingna ko wa hiru apokas non spong so yong constituency kin agi jing kersha yanga bakin ra asushu kam halo bangana banirap on tangi ki asha ikilong kemi gibran hapo ka so dan kanon spong so yong constituency lakalong kajing tre jong ki anganwadi let's say kajing tre kajing rap jong ki midday meals
VPP withdraws Marang Ns' candidacy over coal trading allegations. The Voice of the People's Party, led by Ba Arden Miller Basaimot, withdrew its nomination of Marang Ns as a candidate for Nongstoin following the circulation of a video and image showing him congratulating Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma after securing a mining lease in 2021. The party expressed concern about the potential impact on its image due to Marang's alleged involvement in coal trading. The decision sparked protests during a public meeting in Nongstoin on January 15, 2025.
Mining lease, hagataga por, bagataga video ka dela do slam at the way. Kani ka video ka bami kan bu jinge ya ka party. Naman ni soto bagaton ka jing pen up shrip yang ikum ka party larangi pakla.
A consultative meeting was held today at IIM Shillong to address waste management challenges and opportunities in the city, organized by Center for Community Engagement and Impact for Northeast Operation Cleanup OCU, IIM Shillong, Meghalaya Institute of Governance and the Sinjuk Ki Nongsenshar Shnong Nongthamai Plun. The meeting discussed solutions for sustainable waste management, including engaging Dorbar Shnong, promoting commercialization, raising public awareness and documenting best practices. The delegation from 15 Dorbar Shnong, led by Bantali Nari, was joined by OCU's Patricia Mukim and IIM Shillong's leadership. The Indian Meteorological Department, IMD, celebrated its 150th anniversary today. To mark the occasion, the Meteorological Center Shillong opened its doors to the public, offering insights into IMD's operations and equipment. IMD Chief in Shillong, Thangjalal Lauvamp, highlighted ongoing infrastructure improvements in Meghalaya and the introduction of impact-based weather forecasts, enabling more accurate predictions of weather effects.
IMD is at the forefront of weather services, and in the past few years has already started impact-based forecast services. And also nowcasting services. Nowcast services is even for the next 3 hours. And based on the next 3 hours, what will be the weather? So we are moving away from what will be the weather to what the weather will do. So there comes the impact-based forecast.
Joai MLA and Muda Chairman Wailat Miki Shilla yesterday inaugurated a new public toilet at Kiang Nongba Stadium, built in collaboration with the Rotary Club Joai West Jantia District Sports Association and the Joai Municipal Board under the 15 Finance Commission Award 2020 to 2021. Speaking as chief guest, Shilla emphasized the importance of proper supervision after construction to ensure the facilities' upkeep. WJDSA Working President EMH Pasa expressed gratitude for the facility, which will benefit visitors to the stadium during various events.
There are times when we focus on the major issues, on the major project, but we miss the small ones, which are equally important. So really, I really like to congratulate the member of the Rotary Club for coming forward with this project, and I'm confident that this will be help the people at large. At the same time,
Nongpo MLA Marang Ns donated an ambulance to the Ribhoi Shatei Presbytery today, marking its silver jubilee. The ambulance, funded through the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, aims to support local health care on the same day. The office of the Ribhoi Shatei Presbytery was inaugurated alongside the launch of a newly established music school. Prominent figures including MLAs AIM, MDC Balajit Rani and Pastor S.N. Teron attended the ceremony.
Lomba kino yalang kino kitkam ki belalik na asyadi ki badan ki jingi I jengai ba personal report adu batit ki kene jaka makan longkum ka aset jong ka presbytery patru ban sedang ban te ya kene ke slam trekam ka bokun tofru ya ka board of music institute ka bolong ka slam jaka ai jingi kai ya ki hep ki beret ki kun samla ki badon ka mansim ban pentuit eledi kum no ban ruai kum no ban tem kum no ban tau jing ruai ba kum tatat.
Football teams from 11 districts, including the host West Jantia, arrived for the Meghalaya Games 2025 yesterday. Each player was greeted with a token of appreciation. The head coach from West Khasi Hills expressed his delight at the warm reception and friendly atmosphere provided by the host district. The 6th Meghalaya Games began today with the under-17 boys football match where East Garo Hills defeated Southwest Garo Hills 4-2. The subsequent matches between Southwest Khasi and East Khasi Hills and East Jantia Hills and Ribhoi district ended in draws.
Te kajing pidang subah hangne ngas long sultanat nomor ba ki staff ki badan hangne naduk bangi dang supoi ru long ba long pariak ba long friendly ba bat ni tengis ngeujuk sujan bat ki sultanat sya ha kajing pe jongan nomor arsin mentah ngale mensuang ngale hatura te kaper sya kat mang yat kisni kaper nomor ki bru ru ki sutu kam sutu no kanang per kasni kanang per ki bru ru ki hajing penyaj ru kan long ka kamper sibun
Umsning MLA Dr. C. Lingdo inaugurated the Gracia Futsal Turf at Maryland Resort, Ribhoi District today. The new futsal ground aims to engage local youth and promote health and fitness. In his address, Dr. C. Lingdo expressed his satisfaction with the project, highlighting that the futsal ground would benefit the community by promoting youth engagement and enhancing the health and fitness of local residents. The event was attended by Father Peter Amle, Father Michael Kongan, Thomas Roy Malay, owner of Maryland Resort, and other local elders.
Ingin ya be ban ya kamai ingin ya be ban pernah ke jingkek ke jongi bat kani ke balapli menta kesni kan long ke jingkerku ya ki kun samla ke jongi mei tang ki samla wat yengi ke balarumba ke badon ke interest ngila ban pelut por mo.
The Umyarong Catholic Youth Association concluded its football tournament today with the mystery team winning 4-2 in a penalty shootout against the 10-member team. The tournament aimed at raising funds for a new church building and promoting community unity. The event was attended by notable figures including Congress MDC candidate Rocky Marwen and Umyarong village headman Roning Rani and other distinguished guests. Now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 14 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 74%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 6 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 17.6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 60%. Meanwhile, in Juwai, minimum temperature 6 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 18 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 79%. And the forecast in Turan, Juwai says that dry weather is likely at most places, whereas for Shillong, light to moderate rain and shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. Before we have a look at headlines once again. Cabinet to amend State Anthem with Panar Lions unveiling at Meghalaya Games. Cabinet approves Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025 for better teacher promotions. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma holds meeting with Indian Olympic Association President P.T. Usha, discusses state's preparation for 39 national games. And Soni Kharjana to contest as independent candidate from Nongspung Sokyong constituency. Well, viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Do join us again tomorrow with more updates. Have yourself a good night.